Welcome back, friends, to your favorite channel, Trading Technicals. Now we keep on learning something new every time. Okay, so I'm back with some strategy for you guys on Bank Nifty. This is what I asked you on the channel for the feedback. If you are willing to go for a Bank Nifty strategy. Now this is, if you remember, if some of you remember this 945 strategy. Okay, it is similar to that. Okay, again people would remember ORB. There are very basic formulas which are there in the stock market. However, most of the people ignore those formulas, which could be easier way to make money. Okay, so this is what we are trying to do. This is what we are exactly trying to make money out of. Okay, now let me clear one thing. This is not a holy grail. There will be days where you will have a stop loss hits. Okay, we should not consider anything as a holy grail. Nothing is 100%. Okay, so basically we are going with the strategy of first 15 minutes ka breakout. Now there are multiple methods. Okay, 1 hour breakout. We are going with the first 15 minutes breakout. Okay, especially on Bank Nifty, recent times I've seen this is working fantastically well. Okay, there is another strategy which I'll be coming back soon, but this is one for the people who just want to put their order, uh, put their kind of bracket order, stop loss and target hit, you're out of it. And currently, if you know, the Bank Nifty is like next 5 minutes it will give you 100 points. Okay, so that is the advantage we are trying to take it here. Okay, so the strategy is very basic. Okay, so what we are trying to do is basically the first 15 minutes candle. Okay, my time frame here is 15 minutes. I don't have any other indicators apart from the volume, and what I'm selecting here is my first 15 minutes candle high and low. Okay, so here I am marking this high and low. Okay, now the criteria here is this 15 minutes breakout has to happen and with a proper candle. So proper candle, when I mention proper candle, okay, always remember at least 50% of the candle body has to break that particular line. Okay, so in this case, if you see this candle, say this candle has broken this particular thing. However, the body was stayed here. Okay, so you have to wait for this 15 minutes to get over. Okay, and then only you are taking the entry. Okay, now if you see here, this candle has broken. Okay, so we will wait for the confirmation of after this candle. Okay, now this 15 minutes the market is going to play only in this range. Okay, so what we have done is, after this breakout we are taking the entry somewhere around 20,240, 235, 240. Okay, this is the order which we are putting it. Okay, the bracket order. Okay, we will try and use the bracket order. Okay, and our stop loss will be either this high, which is 445. Okay, or else we will have the candle, this candle or this candle high. Okay, the previous candle high, whichever has broken this particular trend. Okay, and we will take an entry here. Okay, our target will be 100 points, exact 100 points. So if you are putting a bracket order, you will put 100 points from whatever entry you are taking till the 100 points. Okay, or if you are taking any order which is MIS order, you will immediately put 100 points ka target and you will close that. Okay, it is up to you if you want to take a risk, if you want to trail your stop loss, whichever ways you want to do it. My target is 100 points minimum. Okay, and here what has happened is, after you have taken an entry 235, see where it has gone. This is 500 points ka move. Okay, so basically 100 points should have booked it here. If you wanted to trail it with the cost to cost stop loss, you would have trailed it. Currently the market is very volatile, so it is better to book it immediately. 100, 200, whatever is your greed, you can take that target. So this is how simple the strategy is. Okay, we are not using too many indicators here and there, and we are trying to do all these things. Okay, now here if you see, this is again first 15 minutes candle high low. Okay, so basically this candle is not giving us a confirmation. Okay, still 50% is not above this particular thing. Okay, this one is actually clear breakout. Okay, so this is the clear breakout. This is where we will take the entry. Okay, this will be the 18,905 is your entry point, and you take 100 point. Now 18,905. Okay, we will consider for time being, we will consider as a 900. Now from 900 till 300, so it has given you 400 points. Okay, so this is how you take the entry and you exit it after 100 points, 200 points, whichever is your greed, or you trail that with the stop loss. Okay, if you would have waited for this particular thing, it would have given you 600 points ka move. 600 points on one lot of bank nifty is 12,000 rupees, friends. Okay, one message I wanted to pass on to each and every one. Okay, the basic things which I keep on sharing it on the group also. There are lots of good books which are available, okay, to read and go through. The important point for all of us as retailers, don't go for these big screenshots which are getting shared all across. Okay, people are making lakhs and crores of rupees in a day, and we don't even know how much they are losing in a day. Okay, and what is their capital. Okay, our point is to make this small. If you gain every day a small amount, if you consider 100 points, 2,000 rupees, apart from your job and other things. Okay, if you're earning 2,000 rupees without much of headache in the 15 minutes, 20 minutes time, it is not bad. Okay, so just consider this particular thing always and play with that particular mindset. Okay, you playing with one lot, two lot, three lot, it depends on your risk, your greed. But guys, my point is, if you're making 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, it's okay, it is up to you. But my point is, just control your greed, just control your emotions. Okay, these kind of strategies are basically just to control your emotions, because most of the retailers, I have seen one thing, that whenever you enter into these kind of things, one candle up, one candle down, you will close your trades, even if it is going in profit side or whatever it is. Okay, now if you have taken an entry at this particular point, and if your red candle is coming here, you would have exited in this particular trade. Okay, so that is where the emotion is coming into big picture. So we have to avoid these emotions. So we just keep the target, we just exit, and we just make. So this strategy, as I told you, it's not a holy grail. Okay, it might hit your stop losses one or two times. Okay, that yesterday the Friday movement was actually a stop loss which was triggered. However, what my point is, overall in a month, okay, don't consider any strategy, any setup for that matter. Just don't give it off immediately saying that one or two times it is a stop loss is it. But you never know what is the. So I have just shown you 2 days ka movement with where it has broken that particular thing. It has given you 100 points, 200 points, 500 points also. Okay, one or two stop losses if it is hitting. Overall, if in the month, if it is giving you daily 2,000 rupees, if you are able to make 100 points, if you are making 2,000 rupees daily, it is monthly 40,000. That is a salary for lots of people. Okay, so please consider that. Okay, even if one or two stop losses hitting here and there, even if you make 20,000 rupees extra added income to your kitty, that you can invest it, that you can use it for other activities. Okay, so these are the few important things which we always have to remember. Okay, so whatever strategies I'm sharing, please use it, try it, you share the feedback on this channel, on YouTube or on our group. Okay, which will motivate me to come up with the new strategies, new things for you guys. Okay, we will also have a basic basic things on the technical analysis. How do we kind of trade and do other things, and those are the things which we will do it. The other thing, I think lots of people made lots of money on the advices which I gave. Okay, it is not required actually, the advices, because if you learn on your own, you will start making your own money. But if you have made some money, my suggestion is donate small amount of that particular money to the poor and needy people right now, because their situation is really bad. And I think we are the people, if we are earning good, we should contribute to their life, so at least they will have one time food. Okay, that's a request from my side. That's it from my side, guys. Anything is there, you just let me know. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that like button, and always keep updated on our new videos. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel as well. Okay, where we discuss lots of technicals and other things. Thank you guys, have a nice day.